Welcome. We're super excited that you're here. Natalie and me are here today. We co-founded Auto Shop Media a couple years ago. We want to share with you how you can get your auto repair shop unstuck from that plateau that you're at and punched through to the next level. That's exactly what we do for auto repair shops across the country. I want to show you the 5 steps you can do to add 10 to 20,000 dollars in new monthly revenue for your auto repair shop.
Yeah, hi guys, thanks for clicking in. Okay, so 5 steps to get your auto repair shop to the next level. First, we're going to evaluate your current customer generation process. Second, customers now, which is really important. Three, online lead generation platform. Four, organic, ideal, pre-qualified customers. And five, consistency. Implement a plan to continue earning this monthly revenue.
Now, when we take these 5 steps and we implement them, awesome things happen. So as we walk through these, you'll see how this is engineered to punch you through to that next level. So first, you want to re-engineer your most profitable services. What we mean by that is jump into your CRM and take a look at what was the most profitable 20 services that you did over the last 3 months. So now we have a target to know going forward if we bring those 20 services, those types of services or repairs in, that's going to give you the best shot at making money. Then you're going to find out what services wasted your time. We're not going to close them down at the door, but we're definitely not going to push that into the market saying, hey, we want these type of jobs, because they just aren't profitable. So now we have our top 20 services. Go to the next step.
So number two is going to be online lead generation platform. We're going to take those 20 most profitable services that Matthew was talking about, and we're going to turn them into landing pages. This is going to be an automatic system that builds credibility and makes you the local auto repair expert. Important, bring in quality customers for your most profitable jobs. That is the whole idea of this online lead generation platform. So here's an example of one of our online generation platforms that we have for one of our customers. And you can see here that we have reviews on top so that everybody knows what kind of reviews they have and what kind of reputation they have online. And then you have some text telling them about the services that they clicked on and a quick form that says get a fast free quote. So every single landing page that you create needs to have a form so that people can fill that out and then give you all their information you need to then turn into a lead. We also have our map to show people where you are and a great testimonial to show what kind of a shop you are.
And a quick note, and correct me if I'm wrong, but we changed this form almost about a year ago. And when we have name, phone, make, model, and message, now we have people, instead of saying, hey, giving an email address and, hey, how much does it cost for a brake repair, and giving your email, those are dead. 1 in 10 respond. They're useless. So when we create these, and Natalie popped in the phone number, we started using that instead. This is where, when we have leads that come through, number one, they're more likely to come through because they're asking for a fast quote now. So they're asking for service. And the second is that when you call them and say, hey, on this form, you said you need a brake job. Tell me about it. I see you got a Mazda 3 here. Is it the front rotors? Talk to me about it. And that opens up the conversations. And over half of these book and come into your shop because they read the amazing content first.
Yeah, that's totally right.
Cool.
Yeah.
The next one, customers now. To me, this is one of the most fun things. So now we have our top 20 services we're going after, and we have landing pages that are beautifully set up. That's what you need to do first. Now that you have both of those set up, now we need traffic. We need local traffic that are looking that need work on their car for those services. So AdWords and Facebook traffic, and send that traffic to your high converting service. Why most people fail in AdWords and Facebook is, let's say they go have hand AdWords $3, $4, $5, whatever it is, then a month later, they don't know where the customers went. The customers clicked on an ad that said auto repair when they really needed some kind of scheduled maintenance, and they got to a generic homepage. They didn't talk about scheduled maintenance at all, and they say, oh, I'm probably in the wrong place, and they leave. Now, even if they did call you, you can't track it, so you have no clue if it works. So when you set up this strategy, 1, make sure you use a tracking number. 2, make sure you send them to those pages that you set up, so when they fill out that form, every time it comes in and you close that sale, ding, you know that revenue was brought in through AdWords that for your most profitable services. Now, these are more expensive leads, but you want to get this started right off the bat. Don't wait for the organic strategy to kick in, because we find a lot of times if you just wait for organic strategies, you get bored, you don't think it's going to happen, and you stop pursuing it. Now, here's some examples. On the left-hand side, this is a lead. Tyler put in his phone number. He needed a service engine light. So gave him a call, so the customer gave him a call up. Kim, that's her email and phone number, having problems with the lifters and camshaft. First name, Jose. I have a 540 BMW, lots of it, and just list them out. The reason they do this is because when they read the content on the page and they see that you're an expert, it connects with them and they say, yes, they're going to fix my car. So you're getting quality leads. On the right-hand side, this is what sent them to the page. Hey, Frederick, do you need an auto repair service? Get a fast free quote and $20.18 off for any service repair. This was boosted on Facebook. So now you can create these for all types of different services to send traffic to the page. The top right corner there, Auto Repair Pleasant Hill, it's for a client we have up there, and we create ads for all those different services, and you need to create ads for those different services to send those back to the pages where they can connect and see that you're the expert for your top and most profitable services.
Yeah, guys, we invite you to use this exact Facebook ad that we use and just put $100 behind it and see what it does for you. And then you guys will see the results that it actually does, that we're actually telling you real stuff here. This is not something fake. We're not saying, hey, get good content out there and not telling you what exactly to put out there. We're actually giving it to you and something that actually works for the auto repair shops that we work with.
Awesome. No, so true. Organic, 3 ideal pre-qualified clients. This is gold. It takes a little time to get going. So what this does, it starts sending you streams of organic evergreen traffic. So go back to those top 20 services again with a beautiful landing page with great content, like Nathalie showed you, just really an awesome page. So now you're sending traffic to it. Now we want organic traffic. So this is where we're gonna get a little bit geeky. I'm a massive geek here. So the next thing you want to do is create a blog and start publishing that blog for long-tailed terms. For instance, why is my BMW head gasket leaking? That'll get ranked nationally and start sending traffic to your site. Google sees, wow, this website gets 500 to 1,000 visits a month, where these others only get 100 to 200, and they monitor traffic. You get pushed up in the rankings big time because you're credible. You're getting tons of traffic every single month. Then you pick up all that traffic for your organic service pages. The second is we build your domain authority. This is a very simple term. It just says, Google says, how powerful is this website? Facebook is 100 domain authority. Google is 100 domain authority. BuzzFeed, CNN, probably about a 90 domain authority. Most auto repair shops domain authority is about a 6 or a 7. How do we build up domain authority? By pointing links back to your site. So if you go online and start searching for how to get local links, how to guest post for auto repair, and start looking for that online so you can guest post and link back to your site. That'll build your domain authority. And a pro tip there is look for auto repair blogs out there. They always want more content, so you can give them a free really good quality post if they link back to your site, or you can even pay them $50, $100, couple $100 to get a good link back to your site. That'll bring up your domain authority. That kind of raises the tide, which get more people to your website for your 20 most profitable services. Find all the directories out there, Yelp, Yellow Pages. You can go to a company called Whitespark or different places, and you can actually find what directories like Yelp and Yellow Pages all your competitors have, and you can go get every single directory that they have, and that'll push you up in the maps listing drastically. I'm done being geeky, but those are things that you need to do to bring up your website so those 20 top services get picked up in search for a wheel alignment, for a brake repair, for all those other little services like head gasket that you want good customers for.
Yeah, number 5, guys, consistency. You'll be able to continue earning $10 to $20 or $1,000 per month. You'll continue to blog to be the local auto repair expert. That is super important. You want to keep adding pages. You want to keep adding those long tail terms that Matthew was talking about, so that you can keep getting new and new customers and what their language is to come to your website. You also can add new service pages and new streams of ideal clients and jobs.
And on that one, the new streams is as you pull up your top 20 services and you have those hammered down after 3 or 4 months, then go and find the next 20 most profitable services. And every time you set up a new one of those page, you bring your domain authority up. It's like adding just new streams of perfect jobs and perfect customers looking for you as the expert in your city. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. So what's next?
First, know that $1 million auto repair shops are created every day. There's no reason you can't do the same. Stick with your strengths and then delegate your weaknesses. So if you're really good at blogging, or you just know that you want your articles to say something a certain way, then do that. But then delegate your weaknesses. If you're like, man, I just don't know Facebook ads, I just don't understand social media, then get someone else to do that for you. It's very important that you get everyone working with you on their strengths so that your auto repair shop can get to that next $1 million auto repair level.
Awesome. So do you want help? We've given you this in a way that you can go execute this and do it at the highest level. And from that, those are the steps that you need. If you're sitting here, you don't have to go spend a ton of money on mailers. You don't have to go get an amazing text messaging platform. You don't have to do all those crazy things. These are the things that'll push you to being $1 million auto repair shop. A couple things to make sure that you know. One, make sure that you guys can sell over the phone. If you can't sell over the phone, you need to get a coach, because you could drive all these leads and spend money on AdWords and Facebook and time. And if you can't sell those leads and a high portion of them, then it doesn't matter. So you want to make sure that's taken care of. And of course, you need to have good techs. If you look at this and you drive leads and you don't have the techs or the bays to take care of it, then it just won't work. So we're not trying to say this is everything to everyone, but if you're a shop that you're stuck at a plateau, you have good techs, you know how to sell jobs, and you feel like you're on the verge of something great, and you have a great follow-up platform, then those 5 steps are going to push you to the next level. And do you want help? We would love to help you. This is what we do, is we push shops to that next level. And you can actually apply below to work with us. And this is just the one thing that we do well and we absolutely love to do. And of course, you can go execute this yourself. But if you did want help, we'd love to chat with you. We've helped more than 10 auto repair shops go from $600,000 to $800,000 to over $1 million annually. Well, way more than 20 auto shops, add 10 to 20,000 bucks a month in monthly revenue consistency. We're not here to get into nitty gritty details and talk about backlinks and SEO. And we know you just want the result of getting to that extra level, whether it's $1 million, whether it's $1.5 million, whether it's getting past the 800,000. And we just go after getting you that result. And we work with other auto repair shops. That's the only thing we work with, really enjoy it. And we've consulted with AAMCO, AAA, and Goodyear on their content to help them bring in the right customers in the past. And now we just enjoy doing that for our clients. So at this point, if you do want to apply, there's a button below to find a time on our schedule, and a brief form after that to apply to see if you're a good fit for us. If you're not, we'll let you know, because we want you to be successful, and if that's with us, great. If it's not, no problem. Nathan and I really appreciate you taking a couple minutes to watch this. We hope it was really informative, and if you do want to apply, go ahead and click that button below.